Okay, so how about instead of typing it all up, I explain it to you. You see the fishes, right? Look at the fishes. Fish. Okay, they were in the big tank. The big tank. If you don't know what that is, whee, you're in this one. This big tank. The big tank. You see that? They were held by that. They're right there. Okay. So, apparently, these had babies. And here are the babies. I don't know if you can see them, but they're super tiny. See that one swimming around? There you go. There's the other one. Oh, there's too much light. Oh, hang on. Whee! See if you can see them now. There we go. See them? They're super small, right? That's my finger. That's my finger. They're super small. The amazing thing is, wait, let's see if they can see them better. There they are. Whee! See, super small. The amazing thing is that they slipped through these bars, see, because they're so small. And I actually managed to save 2. I don't know how many there were, but look, they had babies.